Okay, first let's factor all of the denominators here. 25 minus y squared, you can factor that. It says it's 5 squared minus y squared, so that's 5 plus y times 5 minus y. So let's replace it with its factorization there. Five plus y times 5 minus y. And we can also factor the 2y plus 10. 2y plus 10 is 2 times y plus 5, which is also equal to 2 times 5 plus y. And so we can replace this denominator with 2 times 5 plus, I write it as 5 plus y because I see a 5 plus y elsewhere in the equation. So now we've got everything factored, and to cancel out all of the denominators here, we'll need to multiply the entire equation by 2 times 5 plus y times 5 minus y. So this whole quantity distributes through the equation now. This whole thing distributes to each term in the equation. And on the far left, everything cancels out except the 2. So we're left with 2. The 5 plus y and the 5 minus y both cancel. Now we have a 2 up here, and the 5 minus y cancels. 2 times 2 is 4. And the 5 minus y cancels, but the 5 plus y is still there. On this side, the 2 cancels, and the 5 plus y cancels, so we're left with 3 times the 5 minus y. Now let's just distribute the 4 through the parentheses here, and the 3 through the parentheses over there. And we get 2 plus 20 plus 4y equals 15 minus 3y. So let's add 3y to both sides. And let's subtract 22 from both sides. Two plus 20 is 22, and so minus 22, those all cancel out. And we're left with 4y's plus 3y's, which adds up to 7y's. And on the right side, that adds up to minus 22 plus 15, which is negative 7. Finally, dividing both sides by 7, we've solved for y. We find that y is equal to negative 1. So the only possible solution is negative 1. And when you look back at the original denominators, y equals negative 1 will not cause any problems. So this value checks out okay, and this is a valid solution to this rational equation.